Nicole Davis Saunders, Food Service Sales Manager, Grace Foods and Services. We have chosen 4 of our delicious, delectable wines for Mother's Day. We have a wine for every pocket and every palate. And they're from different regions in the world, from Italy, from France, from California, and they are delicious, they're luxurious, they're silky, they're food friendly, and we want to say that we appreciate all the mothers that have supported us over the many years, and this is the reason why we have chosen these 4 wines as a gift on Mother's Day. They make the perfect Mother's Day gift and the perfect Mother's Day setting. Whether you're dining indoors or you're out dining, they are the perfect selection for Mother's Day. We're going to be tasting some of our favorite wines that we have chosen for Mother's Day, and this is because they're so versatile, all of them. So we wanted to give our audience a versatile selection of wines that they can choose from. So we have a wine for every palate and every pocket, as we like to say. So we're going to start with our Chateau de Burn Romance. This is from the south of France. So we would like to say it's sun-kissed, right? It has notes of floral and strawberries. If you want to put it to your nose, you can smell Chateau de Burn Romance. Cheers.
Cheers.
Our second wine is our Roscato. It's from northern Italy, and it's one of those fantastic wines that has red berries again that you can taste. It just jumps out at you. It's also called an aperitif, which means it's an appetite opener. So you can have this wine before your dinner, so it opens your appetite perfectly. Our next wine is from Washington State. It's our Saint Michel Cabernet Sauvignon, and it's a very complex wine. This means that again, as you go through, you will have different tastes on your palates, right? You should have black currants with a hint of spice at the back of it. It's a bold wine, so for all those mothers who are bold and daring, this is the wine, right?